Hey, welcome back. You are going to love this one. We are in the amazing neighborhood of Stonehorse, tucked in the back on a cul-de-sac. You've literally got no neighbors on either side because there's an easement right here. Backs to a Greenbelt. It's the premium lot. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has a great 3-car garage, as you can see, and it was built in 2019. Coming in. It's got a great covered patio right in the front, fresh mulch, fresh flowers. It's even got an extra patio in the back as well, so it's great for entertaining, but hey, you haven't even seen the house yet, so let's head on inside. My shoes off here because the floors were just mopped, but we have a great foyer here with the archway. You've got a coat closet right here, and this is a great flex space, so come check it out. So this seller is a homeschooler, so they actually use this room as the school room. So you got desks, there's a chalk wall behind me, couple closets, and could double as an office or could be a bedroom. So it's a good flex space. And I really love the windows if you did use it as an office, because you look through this gorgeous picture window and it's a really pretty neighborhood. So it's a great view. Kitchen here, the hub of the house. Oh my gosh, it is fabulous. Massive island, obviously room for the bar stools. You've got an under-mounted sink here, loads of cabinet space with that classic shaker style design. I do love these light fixtures too though, right? Aren't they cool? And obviously we've got a range. It is gas if that's important to you. You're big chef. Other side, you've got your pantry, a great little bar for like coffee if you're into that. Huge refrigerator, and then you have more storage space over here. It's a really great layout, and we'll flip the camera around and check out the dining space. Absolutely massive, right? I mean, this seats about 8, but you can even get a bigger table in here if you wanted because there's plenty of room to walk around. And I love the natural light looking out to that gorgeous green belt that we're going to check out later, but really great space here. In the living space, this is a combo with the kitchen, still a very popular floor plan. People love, this is the entertaining space of the house where everything happens. So you can easily be working in the kitchen, watching the TV for game days and things like that. My family would like to watch the Thanksgiving Day parade. So, cooking, it's all happening right here. So I love that about this house, but you obviously have great picture windows here out to that backyard and massive, massive living room. I mean, this sectional, I don't know if the video is doing it justice, huge. You could get a lot of people in here. It's a great space. We've also got some smart switches here as well. So if you're into like home automation, you do have some of those features in this home as well, which is pretty great. Really quick, if you're new here, my name is Henze and I run the Top Back Connections real estate team serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities like Broken Arrow where we are today. So if you're thinking of making a move here, hey, reach out to me on the channel. I share all things living in Tulsa and home tours like this. So if you like that stuff, you should definitely like and subscribe. But if you're thinking of making a move here, hey, reach out to me, and hey, this house would be a great choice. So if you want to see it, hey, let me know. We'll get you in. But there's still a lot more house to see, so let's continue this tour. Right off the kitchen, right there is this great drop zone right off the garage, which is behind the camera. It's the camera sitting in the laundry room. So great space here, and then you've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So let's check those out right now. These are really good sized rooms. It does have a window in here, which is right next to the camera. And then you've also got the closet, which we'll check out right now. I'm just gonna take the camera with me. Really good sized closet there with some hanging and some other built-ins on the side. And then you've also got that window there that I mentioned. But let's just move through together here. I'm gonna keep hold of the camera. You've got your other bedroom here, also has a window, kind of just reverse of the other one. Same style closet there. And then around the corner is that full bath. Really good size, nice and bright colors. Turning around here, we'll check out the utility room. Now the garage is packed, so I'm actually not gonna go out there. We stashed a lot of things out there, obviously, for photo day today. But it's a 3-car garage, and then that closet is just a utility closet. But great size laundry room. You got room for prep counter space, and then obviously really good size washer and dryer. And then you do have room to do hanging for keys and whatever else you'd want to do, but it's a great space. Not bad at all. You have tile floors throughout. Think I mentioned that. And then the bedrooms, you've got LVP in this one, carpet, and then LVP in the living space. And then of course, tile and the LVP that you saw in that flex room. But let's check out the primary. Something to note, I love the archway, but also this kind of little almost foyer area coming into your primary bedroom is really cool. Absolutely massive room. You do have the pop ceiling, which is great. Love the natural light. You do have carpet in here. And then this is the primary bath and a closet. We'll check that out right now. It's a really good sized closet, nice and deep. And over on this side, I do love the seller's choice with the greenery. I think it's kind of fun, but you know, maybe it won't be everyone's cup of tea, but I like it. Here we've got really good size shaker cabinets, dual vanities, modern lighting, and then a great archway situation. Let's see if I can get that. I gotta get back a little bit. Nice and deep tub there, and then obviously you have a shower as well. A really great bathroom. Nice layout, plenty usable. But let's go and check out the backyard. It's pretty great. You're gonna love it. Outside, we have this absolutely massive patio space, perfect for entertaining. It's covered, obviously. We've got extra patio space over here to my left for more entertaining. But let me flip around the camera and show you this backyard. Absolutely massive. And here is the amazing Greenbelt that I've been teasing you guys with. You've got no neighbors on this side. And like I mentioned earlier, there's an easement here, so no one has built on this side either. So it's super private, and you have a dedicated dog run. On the other side of the house, you've got some more green space for gardening, is what the seller was using it for. This house is gonna be yours, so you know, whatever you wanna do. But great Greenbelt. They do have a gate in the fence if you wanted to go do some exploring. But it's a great sized yard, super peaceful. You're literally in a really heavily populated area of Broken Arrow, so you're just minutes from everything. But I don't hear anything except the birds, so it's super peaceful. It's probably the best lot in the whole neighborhood. So what are some of the amenities of the neighborhood? Well, there's 2 pools, and there's also some trails and stuff, so let's go check out those. Here we are at one of 2 of the neighborhood pools. Really great space, super quiet out here too. And there's also walking trails and a lot of other really great amenities as well. I mean, paved sidewalks throughout, so you don't have to worry about your kids having to walk in the street when they're walking to the pool or to the school bus or whatever. So really great feature of this neighborhood. And here we are at the other pool, really great. You've got a playground here, and then obviously pool amenities. There's people swimming, so I don't want to like put them on camera, but there is obviously patio space through here too. And if I flip this around, you can see the trails just keep going on both sides as well. So it really is a great neighborhood, nice wide streets. It has everything that you could want. Pretty great, right? So let's talk about the amenities as far as where we are located. So we are in South Broken Arrow, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video. You're literally only about 10 minutes away from all of your necessities, no matter if it's groceries, restaurants, you know, nightlife, stuff like that. Very close by. But if you want to get to things like the Rose District in Broken Arrow, we are south of there. So it'd probably take you about, I'd say 15 minutes to get there on any given day. And obviously, you've seen some of my other videos on the Rose District. Feel free to check those out. I'll link them somewhere around here. But really great space over there. They've got, you know, nightlife and live music and lots of community events. It's a pretty fabulous space. I mean, they have ice skating in the winter. It's perfect. And if you want to go over to Bixby, you know, Bixby's got Bentley Park, which is a really great sports complex, and all the other things that they do in Bixby in their downtown square area. You're probably about I'd say 20 minutes from there. And if you want to get to South Tulsa, well, you're very close to that, because where we're located, we're really close to the Broken Arrow Turnpike. So you can get right on there and be anywhere, even all the way downtown Tulsa, in less than 30 minutes. So it's a super convenient location. You're just minutes from anywhere, but you're also far enough out that you're not dealing with so much hustle and bustle. So it's really peaceful out here. Like I mentioned earlier in the backyard, it's just the birds. And that's all you can hear, other than maybe the occasional neighbor mowing their yard once in a while. So it's really great, and the lot itself really is the selling point on this, because no one's ever going to build on this side of the house, because that's a green belt, and then that wraps around to the back. And then on the other side, the next house is almost a full lot away from your home, because there's an easement there for the utility company. So dare I say, it's probably the best lot in the neighborhood. But hopefully you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in this home, hey, reach out to me. I would love to show it to you. But there's going to be a lot more information about it in the description. So make sure to check that out for all the photos and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video.